I was second oldest in the family, about 7 or 8 years old. I was healthy as ever. This little cover box, I was standing up on it and wanted to look out the window, and the thing took off on me. It slid all the way down up from the top window down the stairs, and I went with it and slid all the way right on the back door and hit my head. And that knocked me right out, and everything changed after that. I woke up in the hospital. Got up in the hospital. I couldn't talk. I had a stroke, lost everything. Lost my speech, lost the walk, I couldn't walk, lost everything. I had no memory. I had to go to doctors to learn the speech back. She lost her husband of polio. She married the other one. She got married before the accident happened. Yeah, everything went down the hill after that. He could not live with things that happened to me. He couldn't live with it. The only way he could live by abusing me. I had to go special ed. That's all. I didn't go like a normal person go. Had to go speech talk all the time. He didn't believe in it. He called me, "You are dumb." I was in the 20s or 30s, and he started abusing me. I couldn't do anything without he say, "Stupid, you don't know nothing anyway. Keep your mouth shut." It's hard to live with it. Every time, I never went anywhere with the family. I stayed upstairs in my room. I just stayed up there. I wouldn't do anything. I had a moped. One time, I had a flat tire, and my friend took me to the house I lived in. He told him he could have left him there. That's how mean he was. I had to live with that. Kids didn't want to live there with him. He abused people. He said, "I want that food on the table before I get home." Yeah, I had no life after that. "You're stupid. You can't do anything. You're stupid. You don't know what you're talking about. Keep your mouth shut." That's what he told me. He told me I was stupid. I didn't know nothing. "You don't know nothing about sports. Keep your mouth shut." When they both died, I never cried. I never cried at all. And just at the end, the abuse, it was over. I was so happy it's over. I wanted to do what I wanted to do. I wanted to do things like nobody else could do. I wanted to help the school, Calumet High School. Started in '69. I enjoyed what I liked to do. I felt that was my family.